Well, today we are going to be ordering fractions. So first we were comparing fractions with the same numerator, and then we were comparing fractions with the same denominator, and now we are going to compare fractions with different numerators and different denominators, and we are going to be putting fractions in order. So you need to be remembering your previous skills from Monday and Tuesday. And you can go back and re-watch the other videos I have made to refresh your mind if you forgot how to do that. Okay, so we're just going to look at this first number line here. And on this, we will be counting by fractions on the number line. So this number line starts at 0, and we are counting by halves, the fraction halves. So here we have 1/2, and that is labeled here on the number line. And then we have another half, which is labeled 2/2, or 2/2, because 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2/2. We also know that 1/2 plus 1/2 is a whole. So 1 whole is represented on this number line by 2/2. We have 2 pieces out of 2 pieces, so we have the whole piece. Okay, then we're going to keep counting by halves. So here is another half, which is labeled 3/2, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and we still have the same size pieces. And then we have another half, so we have 4/2. We know that if we had half plus half, that equals a whole. Half plus half equals another whole. So this is actually 2 wholes. It's just recorded in a different way. So 4/2 is actually 2 wholes. Okay, I'm going to move to the next slide. Now, this number line, it looks a little different, and you need to notice that there's red at the top and green at the bottom. Do you see those little marks coming out? Because we're going to be comparing the length of fractions with different denominators. So we're going to record one of the fractions at the top of the line, and we're going to record the other fraction with the different denominator at the bottom of the line. So we're going to start with 0, and we're going to go to 1, and we can see that the top of this line is divided into 1, 2, 3 sections. And the bottom of this line is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So I will be recording thirds at the top and fourths at the bottom. You will have these on your workbook page. You have to look closely to notice that they are different colors and they are different fractions. Okay, I am going to go back, and I'm just going to make my jumps. So this would be 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. 3/3 is a whole. And on the bottom, your 0, this would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, which is 1. Okay, so my video is going to end, but I'm going to repeat it on the next video because it stops after 5 minutes.